Okay, so yesterday I made a post about how we are going to be connecting Flodesk to System.io. And the goal of this is because we want to be able to market ourselves with the lowest upfront costs, number one. And number two, we also want to be able to market ourselves and have the highest conversion rates. Oftentimes this will happen by email follow-ups. The average person purchases a lot further along. So let's say 7 times. Sometimes it's the 15th email. Sometimes it's the 40th email. So we want to be emailing. But what's going to continue getting them to open the email is when emails are exciting, right? So Flodesk has this option. So if you didn't check out that email, that page of how to connect Flodesk to System.io so that you are just paying $19 a month because you don't have to pay for System.io, then make sure you go ahead and check this out. But I'm going to get started with how we're actually getting started over here. So I'm actually just going to go straight at the very beginning. You just logged in. None of these emails are here if you just logged in. And go to branding. Right over here in branding, you're going to have an option to add your logo. Adding your logo, what adding your logo is going to do is on top of each of your emails, you're going to have your logo popping up without you doing anything else. In addition, in order to set up your System.io, you're going to want to make sure you have your email set up. This is where you're just going to make sure that your email is fully verified. This is going to be the email that it's sending from, or people are going to see it coming from. When it's not verified, you end up in spam. So please make sure this is verified. Another way to make sure you stay out of spam is making sure your domain is verified. This does not ruin you from linking it to System.io at all. I have my domain on both sites and it is totally fine. So this is how we're going to go ahead and get started with setting up Flodesk. If you got this all up and running, make sure to check out the rest of my videos.